Hello guys, welcome back to Good Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix Xbox One error code 0x800c0008 in your Windows 11 and how we can fix this up. So let's dive into the workarounds. So the first one, you just have to go over here and you have to search for apps and features. Open this. From here you just have to search for Xbox. Xbox is available here. Right now just click on three-dot menu and navigate to advanced option. From here you just have to scroll down and we are having two options. The first one is repair and reset. So you just have to try with repair. So if this app isn't working right, we can try to repair it, though the app's data won't be affected. So just go for repair. So once it is done, just restart your PC and you have to check. And even if you're still persisting with the issue, then I suggest you just follow the same instruction and you just have to click on reset once again. So this will permanently delete the app's data on the device, including your preferences and sign-in details. So just go for reset, and once reset is also done, you just have to close this and you just have to restart your PC, and most probably the issue regarding this will be completely fixed. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.